And we have some breaking news coming in from Punjab this time, where the Shiromani Akali Dal protest is currently underway against the Punjab government in Chandigarh this time. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Amandeep over the phone line. Amandeep, over to you. What are we seeing on our screens right now?
Richard, today was the first day of Punjab budget session, and in fact, Shiromani Akali Dal has planned a huge protest. And in fact, before getting into the protest, they have held a rally in Sector 26, and in fact, Sukhbir Singh Badal, Shiromani Akali Dal president, is leading the entire agitation. And then they started moving towards the Vidhan Sabha just because they have planned, it was a part of the plan that they will gherao the Vidhan Sabha against the Punjab government, against the captain government. But they have stopped in the midway by the Chandigarh police, and water cannons were being used. And just because Akali Dal was trying to forcibly cross the barricades, but the police tried to control the law and order situation, and at the end of that entire protest, all the leaders have been detained to the police station, and they have taken into preventive custody just because they wanted to lodge their protest. Akali Dal has already announced that they will protest on the first day of the budget session against all the false and fake promises of Punjab government, just because every time Punjab government try to make the false promises, and every time they try to escape from their promises. So this time this is the last full-fledged budget of Captain Amrinder Singh government. After this, there must be a interim budget, but this is the last full-fledged budget. So that is why they try to raise their voice against the captain government, and they have a long list of demands that and the allegations against the captain government also, against their all ministers, against their all MLAs. So that is why they planned on the very first day of budget session a huge protest, and before a rally was being held, and the entire episode has been led by the Shiromani Akali Dal president Sukhbir Singh Badal. Yes, Richa.
In fact, in this morning as well, we witnessed as to how in the Punjab Vidhan Sabha session, as to how massive ruckus and several of the Shiromani Akali Dal MLAs protested against the governor and the Punjab chief minister himself as they were walking out during the governor's address. And while both governor and chief minister were seen leaving the assembly, slogans were also raised against them. Help us understand what are their demands like, because remember, they have been protesting against the speech, the farm laws and the alleged unfulfilled promises of the Congress government in the state as well.
Exactly, Richard.
All right, before that, let's go across to Manjinder Singh Sirsa joining us on the phone line. Sir, your reaction to these visuals on our screen right now of the Shiromani Akali Dal protest against the Punjab government.
So you can very well see कि अगर आज यही प्रोटेस्ट की आवाज अगर हम उठा रहे हैं तो हमारे ऊपर लाठियां चलाई जा रही हैं, पानी की बुछारें चलाई जा रही हैं. एंड व्हेन कांग्रेस है कि जाती हो रही है, देन दे से हमारे ऊपर जाती हो रही है. नाउ यू कैन सी कि अगर लोगों की आवाज रेज करना, अगर लोगों के हित में बोलना, अगर लोगों की बात को बचाना ये पाप है, उसके लिए डंडे से पीटा जाएगा, उससे पानी की बौछारें चलाई जाएंगे, तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि पंजाब के अंदर किस तरह की डेमोक्रेसी है, किस तरह की पंजाब के अंदर जो है एक अफसरशाही और हुक्मरानत का जो एक माहौल पंजाब के अंदर डिक्टेटरशिप वाला माहौल है, कोई अपनी आवाज भी नहीं उठा सकता और कोई प्रोटेस्ट भी नहीं कर सकता.
सिरसा जी, आप बताइए किस तरह से क्या डिमांड्स है तीनों फार्म लॉज को रिपील करने के अलावा, इसके अलावा क्या क्या डिमांड्स की वजह से आप ये प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं? All right, we'll try to go back to our reporters as well, but these are the latest visuals on our screen right now coming in of the Shiromani Akali Dal protest against the Punjab government in Chandigarh, and these are the latest visuals and pictures coming in. And earlier today in the morning as well, as we saw as to how in the Punjab Assembly there were papers seen being tossed and sloganeering that was of protest by the Saad MLAs against the Chief Minister and the Governor as well. There was massive ruckus that took place inside the Punjab Assembly as well this morning, as several of the Shiromani Akali Dal MLAs protested against the Governor and the Chief Minister with their demands. And the MLAs have been specifically protesting against the Governor's speech, the farm laws and the alleged unfulfilled promises of the Congress government.